So if you've messed up the forward bay park, so like now I've gone in, but my wheels are not in properly, so I can see right now there's no line, so which means I'm not in any bay, and I can see there's lots of space over there, so that means the car's more in this bay. So I can correct this by getting into reverse, looking all around, making sure it's safe. So I want the car to go towards the left because that's where the car is in the bay a bit more, so we're going to keep going towards that way, but I don't want to go there too much. When you get to like around here, I can start turning more right just so I can get the front of the car to be in line with the bay that we want to be in. I can see the lines now, which means that's enough for me to go forward. So reverse back until you can see the lines. Some people reverse back a tiny bit and then try to go forward and then still end up out of the bay. So reverse back until you can see the lines. That way you've got something to aim for. So now I can just turn, make small adjustments to the steering. Now I can't see the lines anymore. Just have to rely on knowing that it's going to be in, and then now in the small mirrors it's in, and that's done. So when you're doing a forward bay park, start wide from the bays that you want to park in. Choose the bay that you want. When you're doing a forward bay park, start wide from the bays that you want. So if you want to park there, start more this side. Choose the bay that you want to end up in. Line the right mirror up with the first line of the bay that you want to finish in. Look around, signal right, then go really slowly, do a full lock to the right. Here, the lines will start to look a bit weird and then they will disappear, but just trust that reference point. And then from here, once you can see the car's a bit straighter, undo that full lock just to go back to the straight, and then making adjustments that you need to by looking at this little mirrors on the side. But so far it's looking good, and then you secure the car. And if you're not sure, just you can secure the car first, open the door, have a look, make sure it's in, and if it is, you're done.